there are people on the roller coasters, so let's go ride it. They've updated the window. They removed all the Christmas stuff. There's a Snoopy cape. How cute. Oh, and they've got the Belle stuff over here. Oh, how stinking cute. And that bag you can only get at Cordy's Corner. Alright, time for our night walk. Let's do this. We beeped again, going through security. Your hair is so pretty. Yeah, no, yeah, I was talking to you. Yeah. Yeah, the red, it's so cool. Thank you so much. Here, let me give you, oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Oh wait, there we go. We want a Knottsberry one. My name's Amy. So I do, if you see my shirt, I do customizations, but I do them for free. So if you ever need anything customized.
You made that?
Well, I mean, I just painted it. Painted the characters.
Painted it?
Yeah. See my face? This one's my Disneyland one, but either way. But yeah, so I do them for free. So if you ever need anything, what's your name?
Stadler.
Oh, that's a really cool name. I like the way it's spelled. Very cool. Awesome. Thank you, my dear. Thank you. Yeah, we'll see. Visiting from? Oh, how exciting. Is this your first time here?
Yeah.
Oh, what did you think? Did you love it? Yeah, this is one of my favorite places. I grew up coming here. All right, you ready? Wait, let me see if I can back up and get both in there. And then we'll get a little closer. And then we gotta get one with everything in it. Here you go. Here, and since you guys aren't from here, I'm gonna give you guys all stickers. Are you going to Disney also? Oh, you've already been? Okay, so here's some Disney stickers. And then, oh, there's another one. And then there's another Woodstock. So it's got my like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all the things on there. I post videos from the park all the time. I'm here like every day. So it's nice to meet you guys. Hope you have a safe trip home. Are you guys all done here?
Pretty much.
Heading home? Oh, well, fly safe. Have the best time. Of course, absolutely. I hope the pictures are great. Alright, it is a little dark with the glasses on, so we're going to take it easy. I don't want to slip and bust my ass open. That's the last thing we want. See, this is how you keep yourself steady, guys. Oh, sorry, thank you, I appreciate you. I really do appreciate them sweeping it, because then your feet aren't getting soaked. Alright, what is the wait time? Let's see. 15 minutes? Alright, let's go get our pass. We'll go get an express pass. And we'll skip the line. And then we'll run back to Panda and grab our food. We have 40 minutes to do this. Bubbles! Bubbles! Oh, I love it. How fun. Okay, we're gonna go in and grab our cookie too. Starting to get a routine down and I love it. Okay, alright. Okay. Here we go. This little scoop. Excuse me. Hi, Ellen. How are you?
I'm fine.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much. Let's go get some water. Hello. Hello. How are you?
Good.
Am I able to bug you real quick? Thank you so much.
You are.
I just wanted to grab a cookie real quick if I could.
Yeah.
Alright, so these ones are the vanilla cream. Ooh. We'll try those a little bit later. Thank you, Alan. Have a good rest of your night. See you later. Oh, wait. Oh, actually, I do need to come back to see you. I was going to do an express pass. I want to ride the Ghost Rider.
Okay.
Is it still okay to do that tonight?
Yeah, I can do
okay,
that for
perfect.
you, yeah.
To ask.
Okay.
I knew I wasn't going to ride any earlier when it was raining, but it's not raining right now.
Right.
I saw it was still going when I walked in. I thought, okay, we can make it. You're so awesome. Thank you. Okay, let's do this. Does it say Ghost Rider or does it just say, present this pass to the fast lane attendant at any fast lane attraction, valid for one use through the fast lane entrance of the attraction. Attraction subject for availability, only valid on today. Okay, cool, let's go. I'm actually not sure where the entrance for that is. Can I ask you a quick question? Where is the fast pass line for this one? Or the?
It's gonna be at the.
Is it in the very front? Oh, okay, cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Or I guess this is the exit, huh? Thank you so much. Okay, let's do this. Oh, can't believe we're gonna go ride this. Oh, I'm getting nervous. Right as the sun's going down. Oh goodness, it might be dark by the time we get on there. Oh. Okay, we can do this. We're gonna get back on the rocks because that's a little bit less slippery. Whew. Oh goodness. Here we go. Oh, that's a cool picture. Okay, let's do this. Oh, there's nobody there. I had to back up and take a few pictures because how often do you get a picture when there's absolutely nobody around? Incredible. Okay, I think we have to put our stuff in a locker. Hourly locker rental. Single-use ride locker. Okay. Touch the screen to begin. What does it say? 5273.
They want to.
How do you open it?
Right here. 5-2. Oh.
How do you open the damn thing? Oh, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna put everything in here. Phone included. Oh, we need the fast pass thing. And we're gonna take my hat off because I don't think we can wear that. So, alright. There we go. Okay, let's do this. Excuse me. Fast pass entrance. This way? Must show wristband. Okay. Is this the exit?
This is not the exit. This is
The
right.
fast pass?
The fast path is behind that way. Will you show me
Oh,
real quick?
you keep going
Yeah,
down?
sure,
Oh,
real quick.
I appreciate you. Oh, sorry, baby. You're awesome. Thank you. I appreciate you. Here, can I give you a sticker? Thank you for my help or for helping me. Thank you. Oh, okay. Oh, I just didn't go down far enough. Oh, that was really nice of him. Thank you so much for that. Ooh, stairs. Okay. And it's wet. Okay, let's do this. We can do it. We can do it. Oh, I'm nervous. I'm a little nervous. Oh, gosh. Oh, goodness. I probably didn't even need the fast pass, to be honest. Oh, oh gosh. Somehow we managed to get row 1. This is gonna be awesome. Here comes our ride. Oh goodness. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, I was like, wait a second, that's backwards. No, just me, thank you. Yeah, I'm like, that didn't work. Okay. Alright, we are tucked in. Here we go. Woo! Oh my goodness, here we go. Oh. Oh. Oh, there's my hair tie. I was wondering where it went. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. You can hold on to the slide. Wow. Wow. Oh, I haven't ridden this in so long. Oh my goodness. Oh, here we go. Oh, yep. There we go. Woo! Oh man, my eyes are watering. Oh. Oh. Oh, it feels like it was tipping. Oh my gosh. Where's the fast pass? Oh my gosh. Oh man. Woo! Alright, let's see this picture. I think I was cheesing hardcore. I was in the front. I think I'm gonna be over here.
Ella!
Oh. Oh my goodness. Holding on for dear life. That's funny. Alright, let's go get our stuff. Can't see where I'm going. Walk in here slow. So for these rides, they have you put your stuff in a locker. Obviously beforehand, it's a 2-hour rental and you don't have to pay if you come back before 2 hours. It's that simple. Okay. All right. How fun. That's so fun. And we still have plenty of time to go and get food. Gosh, that's so cool. Can't believe I rode that. Okay, I'm not shaking like I was when I rode the accelerator, but I can definitely feel the adrenaline. Oh, the accelerator was crazy. That one really got me. I was shaking. I haven't ridden a roller coaster like that in years. So that was really, really fun. I do have to say I don't remember, or what I do remember from this one is that it used to give you a really bad headache and I felt like you were going to a chiropractor. That did not feel like that, so I'm pleasantly surprised. I will be riding that again. I'm very happy about that. How fun. Oh my gosh, so cool. Let's go cut across real quick. We're gonna go this way. space through here a little bit. It's not as wet. There are still some puddles. Just kind of where the grates are. Just to be expected. But they do a pretty good job of draining the park, so there's not huge puddles everywhere. Okay. Five minutes, wow. Or 15, oh, it's just 15. It's probably because that's how long the ride is. It's kind of like a Pirates of the Caribbean. Snow White and oh, there goes hang time. I love to be able to just come here and walk. My grandma would be very proud of me. Well, I know she is. The fact that I got here at 5:08, like that just proves. But we used to walk around our local mall for exercise for her. And I would go with her all the time, so I know she'd be really proud of me, because if she was here, she would do this with me. Hi, can I do a rice bowl, please, with the teriyaki chicken? Please and thank you. Oh, white rice, please. Yeah, please. Thank you. Actually, you know what? The orange chicken looks really good. Can I do orange chicken instead? Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, it's actually orange. I had her change it last second. I didn't know. Here you go. Thank you so much. Oh, did it work? Oh, okay.
Anything else or would that be it?
Could I just have an extra fork?
Sure.
Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Have a good night. There we go. Oh, now rained on. Let's go home. I like your jacket. That's cool. Couldn't tell if it was like crisscross or if it was more like a checkered flag. Cool either way. There's somebody sitting in there. Pretty interesting. I saw him peek out. Let's go look in the window. I see somebody in there. I can't see what's in here. I'm too short. So we'll use the glasses. I can't see what's in there. There's a little hole. What are you guys seeing? Can you guys see what's in there? Interesting. Let's go walk around this side. This is the essay office. That was fun. Thank you. Have a good night. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Oh, I think that's. Oh, my foot's wet. I managed to not get my foot wet the whole time until I left. What time is it? 5:50. No, it's not working, so it's just... They took out most of the Christmas stuff. Love the way that the bricks look. This would be a fun spot to dance in.